Unit test time. First of all, the MIRMAID section is accessible on both the client and server now, for reasons. In the unit tests on any environment section, we have a test that takes a global, converts it to a local, and converts it back to a global. If both globals match, then the conversion is correct. So we have the object global, object local, and a gotten global. So both of these globals need to match when we're done. And you can see that we're reusing the MIRMAID global and local coordinates here because I don't want to waste memory. I was running into some errors with these being undefined because I forgot to expose this data to the server side, and that's fixed. Here's a unit test table with test cases. There's 7 different test cases, so with a tile size exponent 0 to 6, and we're testing various corners of the global bounds for a given tile size. First thing we're going to do is loop through all 7 test cases and extract the tile size global tile X and global tile Y by seeking to the base address of the record and getting out the tile size, GTX, and GTY by offsetting by the correct amounts. Then we're going to pump in the object right here, the object global tile coordinate, into our global to local. And then in this output, we're going to pump into the local to global, and we're going to compare this global to this global. And if all of the members of the original global match the output global, then our test has passed. If we get here, we've failed. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. Like, subscribe, send money.